What's going on, guys? We have the carbon fiber hood off the E39 and it's in the back of the van. And we're gonna take it to my buddy's shop over in Alvarado, Texas to see about getting it re-cleared today. It won't be done today, but it'll at least be getting a price on getting it done. Keep you updated. All right, so we just dropped the hood off to my buddy Rich. So we should be able to pick it up next weekend and it be cleared and done and ready to go. Look at all that. Let's see if we can see that over there. There we go. So yeah, we're out here just enjoying the views now on the way back home. Texas is too fucking flat. Yep, that's all we're doing now, boys. It's just a waiting game. Richard is actually one of the best painters that I know. And I full-fledged, let me do this. I'm so dark here. But Richard is one of the best painters that I know, and I fully trust him to get this done, and it looks great. So, anyways, keep you updated. We'll see you in a week. Actually, just picked up the hood today. Well, yesterday from paint. We put it back on today. The vents are out because I'm actually going to wind up resanding these and clearing them myself and doing something with those. But overall, for those of you that watch a lot of the channel, you guys have seen how kind of butchered this hood has gotten over the 3 years of me having it. We fully sanded off the gel coat. We put on a five coats of PPG clear, automotive clear. And then for the vents, I'm not going to be able to do it to the grills, but to the vents, I'm actually trying to sand these back down to carbon. And the car is dirty, so it is what it is. So I'm actually going to try to sand these back down to carbon, and you can kind of see I've started getting it there. And then I'm going to re-clear it and try to re-clear it all carbon. I've already sanded them down, so I could repaint them the black or something like that if I wanted, but I really want them to go down to carbon. So what I'm gonna do, I'm going to pick up a little attachment for my Dremel to put a circular sand disc on it, and then we're gonna get in here and try to knock as much as we can off here so we can re-clear these and get them back to that carbon finish. So that's the plan, because my painter, he was worried about cracking them, so he didn't want to come out and try to do it himself, which totally understandable. At least he was honest about it instead of trying to do it and cracking it and being like, hey man, it is what it is. But yeah, in terms of the hood, there's little things that are kind of messed up on it, but again, they're my fault. I don't know if you guys can see any of that, but essentially it was from me detailing it was the problem, because I actually put a lot of spider fractures, and you can see a bunch of scuffs. I don't know if we can get in here and see them, but there's a bunch of just little cracks that actually went down to the lowest point of the resin, so he wasn't able to save that, unfortunately, but it's far better than it was, so I'll take it. But it looks like I did not see this yesterday. It looks like he burned through here when he was polishing it, so I'll just have a quick talk with him about that. But overall, totally satisfied. And we're getting new fog light covers, or new fog light lenses tomorrow, so we'll be getting rid of this cracked one here, and a new one for over there, so they won't be all yellowed and hazy. So that'll be good. We'll be able to knock all that stuff down. But yep, we're getting there.